Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're looking to create a group chat on Snapchat, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open Snapchat and go to the chat screen. This is where all your conversations are stored, and it's also where you'll create your group. Once you're there, tap the chat bubble icon in the bottom right corner. This opens up the menu where you can start a new chat or group. Next, select New Group. This will allow you to add multiple friends into one conversation. Choose the people you want in the group by selecting their names from your friend list. Keep in mind that Snapchat only lets you add people who have also added you back. If someone hasn't added you, the group won't be created at all. Once you've added everyone, tap Chat with Group. At this point, you can name your group if you want. Just type in the name and tap Save. While a group name isn't required, it makes it easier to find later, especially if you have multiple group chats. Now you're ready to start chatting. You can send messages, snaps, or even start a group call right away. Everyone in the group will see the messages in real time, and you can keep the conversation going just like any other chat. That's it. Now you know how to create a group chat on Snapchat. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tutorials. See you later.